Let's begin this meditation by getting nice and comfortable, settling your body, either sitting or lying down. And by way of settling your mind, instead of trying to stop the activity that's coming to you through your senses, just allow it to be very, very welcome in your experience. So you may be noticing noises, feelings in your body, different thoughts coming and going. Let all of that information be very welcome, just noticing. And now bring your attention fully to your body, paying close attention to all feeling and sensation in your body. Beginning by noticing the feeling and sensation inside your mouth. And back into your jaw. Out to your face. Particularly your forehead. And behind your closed eyes. And the whole of your head. As if you have a warm, liquidy feeling moving over your body. Relaxing as it goes. Sensing your neck and your throat. And letting that warm liquidy feeling drop into your shoulders. Down your upper arms. Into your elbows. Down your lower arms. Into your wrists. Your hands, thumbs, and fingers. Letting your attention come to your chest. Noticing your sternum, upper abdomen, middle abdomen, and lower abdomen. Taking your attention right across the back of the shoulders. Letting that warm, liquidy feeling drop down into your shoulder blades. Mid-back. Lower back. Now move your attention down into your hips. And into the upper legs, into your knees, lower legs, ankles, feet and toes. Being aware of the whole of your lower body, whole of your upper body, whole of the front of your body, back of your body, whole body as sensation. Notice when your mind is distracted and choose to bring your attention back to your body. And begin now focusing on the sensation of your breath, breathing gently in through the nose and out through the mouth. And have your exhale be a very gentle, soft sigh. And as your sigh leaves your body, have a sense that on that sigh you're letting go of anything that's on your mind, anything you need to do for the rest of the day. Just for now. Knowing that giving yourself this time will enable you to complete those tasks with more productivity, more creativity, more ease, and less effort, by giving yourself the gift of this time to regenerate. So focusing your attention on your breath and body, watching your breath as you breathe in and sending that warm, liquidy, relaxing feeling through your whole body as you exhale. Simply noticing when your mind is distracted and paying full attention to the job of breathing and relaxing. Skin feeling smooth and soft. Muscles feeling like butter melting in the sun. Bones feeling hollow and weightless. Joints soft and spacious. Every cell in your body floating with relaxation. And now very, very gently, with a soft focus, gentle attention, start to notice what is on your mind that you would like to achieve today. What tasks do you want to complete? Jobs you feel you'd like to get done? And as you bring those things to mind, still breathing, still sending waves of relaxation through your body, and having a sense of yourself moving easily and effortlessly through the rest of your day. With this sense of relaxation in your body and a calm, focused mind. And renewing this feeling in your mind and body whenever you need to throughout the rest of your day, by simply bringing your attention to your breath and sighing a relaxing exhale through your entire body. And now as you breathe in, bringing in energy to your body, sensing you're coming back into your day with a renewed vitality, breathing into the tips of your fingers, the tips of your toes, and the top of your head. Taking in one more deep breath, sending a luxurious sigh through your whole body. Gradually starting to wriggle your toes and your fingers, gently beginning to move and stretch. Opening your eyes, fully awake and alert. And just let yourself sit for a moment, fully orientate yourself back to where you are. Feeling revitalized, and enjoy the rest of your day.